Hello everyone. It's Lori here with my crafty mind for you. This is an ATB. It's a 3x3 little block, artist trading block, and I left it partially open because it is functional, and single-handed I would not be able to open this, and I don't want to have to put the camera down. I want to share this project with you. I know that a lot of artists are creating these boxes, but they're using two pieces, and I am going to be doing a tutorial showing you how to use just one piece of cardboard, cardstock, whatever it is that you want to use to create your little box. Now I have also lined this box inside with some dyed clean dyed wipies with colors that I thought matched this box. I lined it so that she can use it for whatever she would like and put stuff inside of it. Or she can seal it shut if she chooses. I will be putting feet on it, but I wanted to show you this little box because I think it is so adorable. They're so fun and easy to make. The floral I got from AliExpress, these little tiny wooden blocks I got from Walmart. Now for Valentine's that's coming up, they're putting those out. These little beautiful butterflies I also got from AliExpress. They sell them by the yard. Rick Rack was gifted. Gems, camera, wood chip piece, and all this other ephemera. I had on hand some of it through a paper pack. This says "Love You Mean It." This floral was just an open floral that I just pressed and shaped. When you have a stem, a wire stem on your florals, just ring them up around a piece of even a paper clip. Straighten out a paper clip and ring it around that, or anything you have that's thin. I lined my cardstock, not my cardstock, I used a cardboard box from a doll that my little girl got for New Year. And I created this box, but I wanted to share this with you because I have noticed a lot of crafters are using two pieces when you only in reality need to use one piece, and you don't have to worry about gluing or putting together anything in any sort or different way. So I will be doing a tutorial on this 3x3 coming up soon, so be looking for it. Like I said, this is a swap, so I hope my swap person does not see this box. If she does, Sharon, please turn off your camera. Okay, I don't want to spoil it. But anyway, I thought I would share that with you. In the back here, prior to laying this down, I went ahead and I Mod Podged napkin onto my already beautiful white pearl shiny paper that I had gotten at, I believe, Hobby Lobby. You can buy those for $2 a sheet. But I thought this was a great idea, using one piece instead of two. I hope you like this show and tell. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope you come back to see me and this tutorial where I will be showing you how to create this box with just one piece of either file folder, cardstock, whatever you desire, instead of two. So with that being said, happy crafting. Please like my video if you like it, share it with your friends, and that will help my channel to grow. As always, I appreciate you so much. Love you guys. Bye.